If you're trying to access your QuickBooks Online account but want to make sure you're doing it the right way every single time, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down a simple, foolproof guide on how to log into QuickBooks Online in 2025, step by step, with clear explanations anyone can follow. Let's get straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Any of them will work, but Chrome is usually the smoothest for QuickBooks. Once your browser is ready, go to the official QuickBooks Online website. You can either type the URL directly or just search QuickBooks Online Login and click the official link. On the home page, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to the secure login page where you'll enter your credentials. Now it's time to log in. Start by typing in the email address connected to your QuickBooks account. Make sure there are no typos. Even an extra space or a missing character can cause login errors. If you're using a shared device, double check you're not accidentally autofilling someone else's email. Next, enter your password. If you've saved it in a password manager, it might fill in automatically, but always make sure it's the correct one for this account. If you ever forget your password, QuickBooks also offers a simple reset option right on this page. Once your email and password are entered, go ahead and click the Sign In button. QuickBooks will verify your information, and after a brief moment, you'll be taken straight to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. If everything loads smoothly, you're in, ready to manage your bookkeeping, track expenses, send invoices, and everything else QBO has to offer. If you run into any issues, like pages not loading or the login button not responding, it's often due to browser cookies, outdated extensions, or incorrect credentials. A quick browser refresh or clearing your cookies usually fixes most problems. And that's it. A complete, clear 2025 guide on how to log into QuickBooks Online without confusion. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other QuickBooks features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.